Yeah. So you have exhibition also? Exhibition? No?
Pardon?
Exhibition? You have exhibition?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, to go to the orchids and the butterflies. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Up and away.
near the birds.
Oh, wow, look at down there.
How high are we? How high are we?
So we're gonna be like, no, we're like 3 meters or something like this. 3 or 4, but it is not like 3 meters, something like this.
All right,
Okay, it's not 3 meters. Maybe
Yeah.
30 meters?
Yeah,
30.
30 meters. That's more than 3.
What was that?
Oh my God.
Really? Oh, on the bottom.
Top of the tree.
Okay.
Cool. How cool is this?
It's fun.
Is that a howler?
No, that's a bird.
That's a bird.
She's like, is that a howler? Whipping her head around. Oh my God.